Hello and welcome to this video. I'm your host Zulf, and today I'm going to talk to you about action cameras. What are action cameras like for live streaming? Should you use them? Are they good? I've done loads of videos about action cameras and why they can be good for live streaming. But the main thing I'm going to show you today is I'm going to give you examples of what it looks like, what are the pros, what are the cons, what you need to keep in mind. Don't expect great quality from cheap action cameras, but they're workable. I've used them for a number of years on some of my early videos, and this video I'm going to basically show you an overview of what they're like. That is an action camera. Goodman's action camera. I've had it for years. You could probably see some of my videos and the stuff I've done with it. It's a good option. It's an easy to use option. I don't think you can get them anymore. I'll put some type of links in the description so you can see similar ones. But if I show you the types of videos I made. So back in January 2020, I made this video. That view here, where my mouse is hovering over, is an action camera view. That is a Canon webcam DSLR view. If I quickly play some of that clip, you can see the type of quality you can expect from it. So that's two screens in one screen. But for demonstration purposes, if you think about it, if it's steady, it's perfectly fine. That looks quite nice. Even now, my audio was not great at that point. So see, you can use little tripods and stands. So I might link you to the video so you can see the full video in the proper quality. But this is more to give you an idea of what you can achieve with an action camera. Let me give you another example of a video so you can see what they're like for live streaming. So here's another video here. So I did a live stream on the channel and I recorded it at the same time. I'm basically using three cameras there. You can see one is a Canon webcam, which is my face. The hand shot is basically an action camera just pointing down, and then another one top down. So that gives you an idea of what it would look like, what the quality would be like. You can switch between cameras. So it's usable if you're doing crafts and those kind of things. I know a few people that do that, can use an action camera as a webcam. You'll be perfectly fine. Just remember, have loads of light on hand and that'll make a big improvement. Let me show you another one where I was working on a PC or something. So in this example, you can see there, they are two webcams. So the front, see the difference in color though? That's something you'll notice. If you get the same brand of action camera, you should be all right. But I had a couple that I was testing, and one's got a slight green tinge and one is like a bit more nicer. But I was basically doing an upgrade on a computer, and that is an action camera. So if you look at that, you can even see in the top here, there's an action camera there. It's an old video, but it gives you an idea of what you can do with action cameras as live streaming cameras. And that was like an OBS setup. So there you can see I'm doing a fix of a PC. It's not detailed, it's not 4K, don't get me wrong, it's not excellent quality, but for what you get from a cheap camera that you can pick up between 15 and 20 pounds, if you get two of them, 40 pounds, you've got two angles. Whereas an alternative would be something like you can get a camcorder off eBay. I did a cheap one where I found a camcorder, and that was actually it was 40 pounds, 45 pounds. I had to get an adapter for it. So because there's a HDMI camcorder, I used a HDMI capture card with it. So that's an additional 20-ish pounds. You got a cable, so you're looking at about 60 to 70 pounds. But that was one angle. Excellent quality, but one angle. Well, let me show you the quality here actually, because that up there is an action, is the camera I'm talking about. If I can bring it up on its own, which might be there. So that is a camcorder right there, and it's recording. So you can see it's quite a wide shot. I want you to see a bit more of the surrounding area, but that's going through a HDMI capture card. So are action cameras good for live streaming? Yes, they are. They can be. There's alternatives out there. See what you want to do. What's your budget? How much space have you got in your studio? Because think about it, action cameras are tiny. So I could technically have three here on little tripods, and they won't cause a fuss, whereas bigger camcorders need a slightly sturdier tripod as well. So something to think about. So that's hopefully giving you an idea of that. Let me bring you back to the streaming there. So you can see nothing wrong with that. I'd be happy with that. Can I show you only the screen? Let me see if I can do that. Yeah. So it's overall, it'll give you a good quality stream if you set it up with the right lighting and look at how lighting can achieve good shots. So if I was you, get an action camera. If you're new to live streaming and setting up things, it's very easy. You're just going to need a camera, you're going to need a lead, plug it into your computer, make sure you take out the memory card if it has a memory card in there, and it will activate the PC camera mode, and then you'll need a program. So if you're doing a Zoom session, you could even do like a Teams call or something. It'll come up as a PC camera from the drop down list. So they are fairly easy to use. You can even take out the battery and it will still work. Just be careful with not moving it too much, because if the cable moves, it can sometimes disengage and reset. So are action cameras good for live streaming? They are. What are action cameras for live streaming like? I'm hoping those examples, actually, I'm still playing that video here. Let me show you that. So that's just one view now of the change. And you can see I'm switching between cameras and I'm adjusting the camera there. And that's the live streaming camera, which is an action camera. I've got loads of these test videos you can see on my channel about action cameras. But I'm hoping this gives you more of like a up-to-date video, because I know some of my older videos didn't have great quality audio, so I'm kind of making a fresh version so you can make sure you're up to date with it. If you have problems with making your action camera into a webcam, drop a comment below and I'll help you with it, because I know when I was doing it originally I came across a number of issues. So if you've got problems, let me know and I can kind of help you and get you set up as well. But I'll link you to another playlist where I'm showing out examples of action cameras and live streaming and what I use now, and I'll link you to that here so you can check that out, and I'll see you on that video.